Hello friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm making crispy roast pork with pumpkin and potatoes and Dutch carrots because they look cool. And I'm going to cook it in my Westinghouse oven, which has an air fryer inside. Genius! First things first, put a tea towel over your shoulder. Makes you look profesh. Pumpkin, potatoes. I can't really juggle anyway. Dutch carrots. I don't think that's the accent. Salt, some olive oil spray, and pork with the rind on, scored and wrapped up. You can get it from the supermarket or ask your butcher. All you need to do with the pork is pat it dry with some paper towel, put heaps of salt on it, rub the salt in, and then if you can dry it even more by leaving it in the fridge uncovered overnight, then that's ideal because it'll make the crispiness even crispier. But it doesn't matter if you don't have that time, just it'll still be crispy. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge overnight and then I'll see you tomorrow. There we go, I totally waited overnight. Time to preheat the oven. Air fry setting, 230 degrees, 5 minutes. Grease the air fry basket with some olive oil spray. Pat our pork dry again and put some more salt on top. Put it on the air frying tray. Are you the cameraman? Yeah. Here's the setup inside the Westinghouse air fry oven. The air fry rack is in the middle, the drip tray is beneath it, and it's time to put the pork in. We're gonna air fry it for 20 minutes until it starts to crackle a little bit, and then we'll put the veggies in around it. Time to chop up the veggies. Chop up the pumpkin, potatoes. You can peel them if you want, or not. The next step is to attend to your child. Oh, he just woken up. Trim the carrots. Don't try this at home. Been air frying for 20 minutes. I'm gonna turn it down to 200. Put these veggies, which I've just covered with a little bit of oil and some salt and pepper. I'm gonna put them all around the pork and we're gonna air fry everything on 200 for 1 hour. What are we gonna do for an hour? Go, you go riding on your bike. Oh. Smells absolutely delicious in here. What's that, buddy? Great thing about the air fry feature and the baskets that are in there is that the air just goes all around everywhere, so you don't really have to flip everything over 50,000 times. You know, like if you were cooking it on a tray, you'd flip it over to get the top crunchy. No need for that. You want your bike? Yeah, Vinny wants his bike. Okay, I've just got to get a bike. I'll be back. Whoa, look at that. Right, there's the veggies. Whoa! Oh, yeah. Oh, you cheeky choppers. These potatoes are crunchy as. See what it looks like. Oh, it's so, oh, yeah. Oh, my phone's ringing. It's all happening here. All right, here's a test. Oh, this bit fell off. Look at that. Crispy pork with pumpkin, potatoes, and Dutch carrots. Oi, that's my foot.